How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can stop FiveM from minimizing when using your second screen. So basically, when you're trying to do this, what you want to do is to make sure that everything is right on both monitors. So if your second monitor uses 1080p over the 165 hertz, you can just head over to the graphics option, and from here make sure that you have the same resolution and the same refresh rate. Meanwhile, you want to change your screen type into the window borderless. So let's just click on the apply changes, click on yes, and from there we are ready to head over to the next option. You could try exiting out of GTA, and then you want to simply disable the full screen optimization. So it's going to be this option right here. Right click on your Grand Theft Auto, click properties, and then inside this page, you just want to look for the disable full screen optimization. And so basically, once again, you can just disable the full screen optimization. And as you can see, I've opened my windows right here. I can navigate easily through my second window. As you can see, I can hop over to my second monitor, and it does not alter whatsoever. I can head back to GTA, head back to my second monitor, and then I don't have a problem whatsoever. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.